Hello traders, and welcome to our today's tutorial. I'll be showing you how to connect Apollo Speed or any of our robots that are trading signals that are relayed from the app, our Android app Apollo Speed, to the Telegram channel. So this video will explain how those who are trading using the app signals can use the robot to automatically trade the signals instead of manual placement of trades. And I'll also explain how you can connect your Telegram in the next video. So let's start with how to prepare the MetaTrader 5 environment for the bot and how to load or install the bot on your MetaTrader 5. So the first thing is, after purchasing the control plan on our app, we'll send you Apollo G++, the signal trader bot on Telegram. So you'll receive a file like this on your Telegram. All you need to do is to right click the file and click Save As. Yeah. Then just delete the old one to show you this. So click Save As, and I'll just take you through that. Right click the bot and click Save As, then click Save to save it on your download folder. So ensure you know the folder you've saved the bot on. Then the next step is to install that bot on MetaTrader 5. So that means we're gonna open our folder, then go to Downloads. Then from Downloads, just click the bot and copy the bot. Then the next step is to open MetaTrader 5 terminal, and on the terminal your aim is to install that bot you've copied on MT5. So I'm gonna open File, top left corner, click File, then open Data folder. Then on the Data folder, you're gonna go to MQL5, and right here we're gonna look for Experts folder at the top. Double click to open. Then from here, I advise you to keep a folder. You can create a new folder, or you can use advisors folder, but in my case, I just want you to create a folder and call it Apollos, or any name that might please you, as long as you are able to locate that folder later on. So mine is called Apollos. Then just double click it and paste that bot. Now the bot is pasted on MetaTrader 5, so we need to install it. Open MetaTrader 5. Then right here, if you don't see this navigator window, or maybe you don't see any of this, for you to see navigator window where you can also log into your broker and start trading, or see the experts folder, just click Ctrl+N. Or you can go to View and click Navigator. So if I click Navigator, it's gone. If I click again, it comes back. And again, if you want to add the MarketWatch to see the symbols to trade, just go to View and click MarketWatch, or use the shortcut Ctrl+M. And there we go. So this is the most important window for you now, is the window with your expert advisor. So just click account, not really account, sorry, just click expert advisors, then right click it to refresh. Click refresh. That refresh is to update the library. Remember, you just added a new robot. Then click this angle bracket to open. Then remember the folder we have created. Yours will be unique, or maybe you can have the same folder. Name, just click the angle bracket to open it. Then now we have our bot. Then just ensure you drag it and drop it onto the chart. Now when you drag and drop it onto the chart, this window pops up. This is the settings window, and the most important setting to put here is only one thing, which is the Telegram bot token. So this is where you will paste it. You'll delete all this and paste the Telegram bot token. There's a video I'm going to link here that shows you very quick steps of creating a Telegram bot. So just you'll have to select all and delete all that placeholder text. And after watching that video, you'll have your Telegram token, then paste it there. So for this illustration, I just want to guess a token like this. Starts with numbers, then some letters, then click OK, and the bot will be added onto the chart with our custom settings and ambience and everything. Look at how MetaTrader chart now looks beautiful and with life. All right, so there's one more step that we need to do on this terminal to allow MetaTrader 5 to communicate with both our Signal app and Telegram. Most importantly, the Telegram, because our Signal app already communicates with Telegram. So MetaTrader 5 needs to communicate with Telegram to know what's happening with the signals. What do? Go to Tools, up there, then go to Options. And from the Options tab, ensure you are under Expert Advisors, not server, not charts, not trade, not anywhere else, but Expert Advisors. And ensure you allow algorithmic trading checked, and the last two, allow DLL imports and allow web requests for URL listed checked. Then right here, I'm going to provide this link on this video description. Just copy and double click anywhere here and just paste. Okay, you only need one link because I've done several tests of this tutorial. I've pasted it severally, so you just need to paste it once. You don't need 3 links, you just need one. Then click OK. Good. Now there's one thing that you should confirm. If we go to Tools, ensure allow algorithmic trading is on. When this one is on, this button here, this play button, will turn to green, which means the robot is live and it's ready to trade. We also have this cap here, this grad cap. It will turn to blue, meaning the robot is on and ready to trade. Always check that this grad cap is blue and that this button is green. That means the robot is on and is ready to trade. If you want to turn the robot off, it's pretty simple. Just click this green play button once. It's gonna turn to a square red, and this grad cap is gonna be grayed out, meaning the robot has been turned off and it cannot automatically trade. Nice. I think you've all understood the concept. That is how to set up MetaTrader 5 to trade Telegram signals. Thank you, and let's meet on to the next video, taking you through how to create a Telegram bot and how to get that token to paste here so that the signals on Telegram from Apollo Speed can be traded on your MetaTrader 5 automatically. Thank you, and let's meet on the next video.